Hey home bakers, if you love coffee and cake, you will love the chiffon cake. It's a deliciously new way to enjoy chiffon cake. Light, airy coffee chiffon with creamy coffee whipped cream and a crunchy toffee topping. This twist on the classic will change the way you think about chiffon cake. Once you try it, there's no going back. Alright, let's bake. We will begin by separating 6 eggs. Be extra careful not to let any yolks drop into the whites, as this can affect the whipping later on. Next, heat the milk in the microwave for about 30 seconds until it's hot, then stir in the instant coffee, making sure it dissolves completely for a smooth, flavorful base. Add the sugar to the yolks and mix on medium speed until the mixture thickens and becomes pale. Then add the vegetable oil along with vanilla extract to bring moisture and flavor to the cake. Mix until fully emulsified, meaning blend everything together smoothly and creating a uniform mixture. Once blended, add the cooled coffee-infused milk to the mixture. I can really smell the rich, intense aroma of the coffee. Now we can move on to the dry ingredients, sieving cake flour and baking powder. This helps remove lumps and aerate the mixture for a light, fluffy cake. Then add salt to balance the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor of the cake. Mix until everything is just combined, then stop the mixer. Finish mixing by hand to avoid over-mixing. This helps achieve that signature soft and airy texture. You will notice that everything is fully incorporated with no visible streaks of flour. Add lemon juice to the egg whites to help stabilize them and ensure they whip up nicely. Once a layer of foam starts to form, begin adding the sugar gradually, about 1/3 at a time. Once all the sugar is added, turn the mixer to medium-high speed and continue whipping until steep peaks form. Scoop a small amount of meringue into the cake batter and mix it to loosen it before gently folding in the rest. Then scoop and gently fold the rest of the meringue into the batter in a few stages until fully incorporated, with no white strips remaining. You will know it's done when the batter becomes airy and velvety. For this cake, I'm using this cake pan. I have lined only the bottom, leaving the sides ungreased so the cake can cling to them and rise properly. Pour the batter into the pan, then use an offset spatula to level it, especially around the edges, to ensure even baking. Before baking, leave the pan a few inches off the work surface and tap it down to release any trapped air pockets in the batter. Then bake in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Once done, remove it from the oven. Now let's take a moment to appreciate this cake. I love how light and delicate it looks. Allow the cake to cool completely in the pan before unmolding. We will infuse the double cream with vanilla extract and instant coffee. I like mine strong, so I'm adding 3 tablespoons, but you can start with 2 and adjust to taste since different brands vary in strength. Here we just want to gently heat the double cream until the coffee dissolves, then remove from the heat, let it cool slightly, and refrigerate for at least an hour before whipping it. The infused cream has cooled, sieve in icing sugar and a pinch of salt. Then start whipping at medium speed until steep peaks form. Be careful, not too stiff, but not too soft either. Think of it as a smooth, velvety texture that will hold its shapes when you pipe or spread it. Then refrigerate until you are ready to assemble the cake. Making toffee is easier than you think. Just add all the ingredients to a saucepan and bring it to a boil, stirring constantly until the butter has completely melted. At first, it may not look like much, but as the butter melts, things will start to change quickly. Keep an eye on it, as it can turn fast. Once the liquid reaches an amber color, remove from heat and pour it onto a silicone mat. Let it cool on the countertop and it will harden as it cools. As you can see, it's hardened. Now break it down by placing the pieces in a Ziploc bag and smash them into tiny pieces. Then they are ready to use. Now the cake is completely cooled. You can see it's gorgeous and shows no signs of deflating. It's exactly what I was hoping for. To unmold it, carefully run around the edges, then flip it over. It should come out easily. Peel off the parchment paper. The cake is so soft and light and smells incredible. I'm going to cut it into 3 even slices so I can stack them and create a stunning layered cake. To make sure the pieces are precise, I'll be using my ruler. Now we are ready to assemble.
Your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear. They will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the 2 of us together. We only need the 2 of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny.
So that's it. I hope this video inspires you to give this cake a try. Click the link in the description for the full recipe on my blog. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Your question might help other bakers too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it so more people can try it too. And of course, I would truly appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way, we will never miss a chance to bake together. As always, thanks so much for watching. It really means a lot. If you are still here, I know you will love this recipe, so be sure to check out this video next, especially if you want to try another flavor. I will see you there. Bye for now.
We got